What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockster, right? I trust you're blessed. I trust you're well. I trust everything is going well. I trust your career in Forex is going up. I just wanted to show you guys something because a lot of people have been asking me, Forex Rockster, why is it that it seems like you only accommodate scalpers only? Like if you see one of my previous trades, where I had the biggest, profit ever, you will notice that I held on to a trade for about 3 days or so, which was basically swinging or maybe long-term trading, and some of you might like to put it. Now, let me come to the GBP USD. Look at this is a 1 hour time frame. I want to show you the power of understanding the concept of the market or the mastermind approach to the market. When you understand this approach to the market, you won't even have a struggle with entering trades like a boss. Okay, like you see, this was a long-term trade. You see that the market came down to this point, formed a W over there. Let me rather put it somewhere here. Okay, and then formed a W over there. And then the second leg of the W, and the market began to move all the way up. This was somewhat 191 pips. No stress, no struggle, no assumption, nothing. No stress, no struggle, no assumption, just like that. You could have caught yourself 119 pips just by catching this low here and letting the market ride all the way to the top. Like if you notice, like with my students, I call these trades out during our live sessions. I alert them, I signal them, I notify them of these kind of setups in the market. Now let's come and look at what was happening during the course of the week. As you can see, this is the Euro Caddy. We have got a very good setup, a very good W setup forming down under here. Like it's this simple, man. It's that simple. Like you see a W setup forming underneath here, and afterwards, the market begins to shoot up just like that, just like that. You see, like 96 pips in a space of about 3 hours. You could have made yourself $960 on a standard lot. I mean, look, it's that simple, man. Like you just need to focus and just let the market show you what it's about to do. You don't need to stress yourself or maybe worry yourself a lot about a lot of stuff. No, just let the market play itself out. Just let the market play itself out. When you understand these kind of concepts, because like with us, we catch them every day. We catch them every day. We catch these market concepts every single day. During my last live session with my students, I gave them an alert about what we'll be doing next. There is something called the $250 Rockstar Challenge. Basically, what it means is for everybody who is a student of mine, I'll be trading with them provided their accounts have at least $250. $250 is all you need to in your account. You need $250 to be in your account. And then I begin to trade with you side by side with me. I'll be trading live with you, guiding you on the lot sizes you should use for every particular day for 21 days only. 21 days. Like I need to give people the real independence, the real freedom of money, the real freedom of Forex that Forex is bringing. Like the liberty that Forex is bringing. I need to help people get that liberty and get that freedom for themselves. So the only thing you require is that you have an account of $250 and join me, trade side by side with me for 20 days. Exactly 20 days. And the only thing you need to do is to sign up and be a part of my students, and then I will assist you. We'll be trading all day for 20 days with me. Like my role is to show you the freedom of the market and also the simplicity of the market. We'll be catching the daily highs and the daily lows together. I'll be helping you enter the market, helping you exit the market, helping you also to stay in the market when it's necessary for you to stay, helping you to manage your lots, to manage your account and stuff like that, and watch you grow your account side by side with me. There is no way you can fail. If it's me involved, there is no way you can fail. I will hold you by the hand and I'll see to it that you come to the end a winner. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out. Please, if you want to sign up to my program, want to sign up to my mentorship, want to sign up, visit our website. Visit our website. That is where you get all the full information right there. You'll find a place where you can pay everything and do everything, and we'll be in touch with you. God bless you. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out. Stay